Hi everyone, I want to welcome you especially to this week's weekly analysis. So quickly, I'm going to take you straight to the chart and I'm going to show you my market perception, my directional bias for the week. I'm going to show you all I'm seeing for the market for the coming week, what I'm expecting to do, my personal decisions. So I've already done the weekly review already. Just in case you've not seen the weekly review, make reference to our YouTube channel. You'll find it there and see all of the few adjustments for the coming week. Okay, so in this new week we're going to be trading as usual the dollar index. From the dollar index we'll use it to trade GU, EU, NU and the rest of them, and we're going to look at the Japanese yen basket, of which out of that we're going to trade GJ, AJ, NJ and the rest of all the J's. We'll have crypto, CFDs, commodities and stocks. So straight out, I'm going to take you straight to the chart and I'm going to just say a few things to you on what to expect. We'll start with the dollar index and I'm going to take you straight to the rest of the things I'm going to be showing you in this weekly analysis. So this is the dollar index. It's taking out this. Okay, so I'm expecting it to go bullish, okay, for this new week. So what am I going to be doing? I'm going to expect it to give me bullish confirmations. Once I get bullish confirmations, like it takes out this major low, okay, I'm going to start selling the GU. Now for the VIP communities, we're going to find sales on AU, EU, GU, NU, all the U's. Okay, so this is the GU. As you can see, it's taking on this. Okay, even though it's currently on a what's it called, demand zone. I don't like to sell on demand zones. Okay, so but it's been mitigated, so my whole attention will be on the mitigation. If I get an information, fine. The only one that's not been mitigated should be down. All of them here have been mitigated, so even this has been mitigated. So all I'm going to wait for is, once I have what are we trading for the week, let's look at it so that we can just focus our attention on a particular side. We're going to trade here and here. It makes it easier and helps us to align very simply. So any bearish move within that zone is what we're going to be trading. So that's trading within the zone. Okay, so that'll be all for Forex. We go straight to crypto. So I also have Ethereum. Okay, so let's see what Ethereum has been doing. Okay, so it's been just slowing down. Nothing, no high impact, nothing really going on, but all eyes are on it. Whenever I see good breakouts, then I'm going to alert everyone in the community to know exactly what to do. So US 30 also nothing serious, it's not really giving any, but I'm going to look for buys. So if I get a buy for US 30, I'm going to buy it to the upside. Okay, I'm going to buy it to the upside, and I think this is giving me that buy. Okay, this is giving me that buy. So if I get at the opening of the market, I get this retracement correct, I can buy US 30 for a short just to do this. Okay, if that plays well. Okay, so that's for US 30. And for Tesla, let's see quickly. Okay, for stocks, Tesla, I'm just gonna put my eyes on bearish move. Okay, bearish move. If I get any bearish confirmation on Tesla, I'm gonna go bearish. Okay, now what's gonna give me that? Okay, so we'll look for the major low, which is this. Okay, once this major low is taken out, I'm gonna find bearish moves on Tesla. Yeah, so that's all on that. So let's go straight to this CFD, which is silver. So what we're going to do with silver. Alright, so silver peradventure gave this sniper after it's induced fully. Okay, so I'm expecting that sniper and it has already happened. So we're going to look out for the next entry on silver, nothing yet, and synthetic. So for the synthetics, we have just as usual, we have jump 25, and then we have volatility 20, jump, and rest of them because of tight schedule. Okay, but if you look closely, you will see that it's done. John has done magic. It's giving this sniper already. Okay, so yeah, it's done his sniper already. So let's see, what do we expect from jump in the coming week? Okay, so it's currently on this supply zone. It's taking it out on the downside. Sorry, excuse me. So I'm going to look for bearish entries on jump, but before then I can catch another sniper. So how do I get a sniper? Once I find it taking out a major high like this, that's lower high, then I'm going to find entries on jump 25, then on volatility 25. I'm going to look for bullish entries, so I'm going to trade within this zone. So I get any bullish entry on jump on volatility 25, I'm going to go in. So stay active on the groups. I'll give updates once it's time to. Okay, so I hope with all you've seen, you've been able to understand what the week is going to be like, and you're ready to make money in this new week. Okay, so don't forget, I'm going to be live 1 p.m. GMT +1 on Monday. Now this is every Mondays. Okay, so you tell everyone to tell everyone, don't miss it. You can clear your schedules and just make sure that you're part of what I do on that day. Mondays 1 p.m. GMT +1. And then one thing again I would like to bring to your attention is I'm in partnership with OctaFX. Okay, so this partnership is to promote a few products with OctaFX. So check the bio, or rather the description side and the comment section. You're going to find a link. Click on that link and be a part of what we're doing with OctaFX. Now we're going to be having a competition coming, and that competition is for all those who are going to use this link that I'm talking about, and fund the account with a certain amount. So the details of that competition will be shared with the community, because this is especially for the community, and everyone that participates with this will be eligible for the wonderful prizes that we're going to be giving. Watch out for that. So see you again 1 p.m. GMT +1 Monday.